You, as a person, are not responsible for cleaning up the consequences of other people's actions. So if they do X and they have the consequence of Y, it is not your job to clean up their Y. It really isn't. It's not your job. Sometimes we have got to let people live in the consequences of their action. They have got to bear the fruit of the seeds that they planted. So this woman, Silent Symbol, made a comment under one of my posts. She says, I think we also need to talk about parents or family that knowingly have destructive health habits, and when their health goes down due to those habits, they want you to give up your life and take care of them. I think that's selfish. And then I said, you're right. You didn't partake, but they expect you to clean up their mess. And she continues, exactly. And when you try to give them advice on how to quit and live a healthier life, they'll say, it's my life. I can do what I want. And so what? We're all going to die anyways. Yes, but you would want to have a better quality of life towards the end. And that is absolutely true. And this could go for anything. It's also not just parents, obviously. It's people that spend recklessly and then need someone else to bail them out with money. It's people that have a bunch of kids and then need you to help them with childcare. It's somebody that might have any kind of addiction or any kind of vice, but can't handle the consequences. And then they expect you to give up your time, energy, and resources to help get them out of their situation. And if they are not willing to hear advice, and I know that the dynamics of a parent-child relationship are going to be a lot harder. They, for whatever reason, are not going to hear it. But if they, let's say your parents had more kids than they could handle, and you're the oldest child, guess who is helping be that surrogate parent? The oldest daughter. Or, this is where some parents that were alcoholics had to have their children come in and help clean up the situation or help with homework or anything like that. In reality, it is not your mess to clean up. And we have got to, as other people, release the need to help, because sometimes they have got to fall on their butts a few times and they need to change their behaviors. And we all only have so much time, energy, and resources to give. So don't give and give and give until it hurts. Only give a little bit of your extra if you want to.